Hello, good afternoon. Okay, I'm here now for session number 2, and we're going to actually deal with equations and inequalities. Okay, 7th graders, I just would like to actually reiterate this thing before I begin with these guide problems that whenever you solve equations or whenever you solve inequalities, okay, you need to actually set your mind with this. I'm talking about of inverses. Inverses meaning to say the opposite operations. So opposite operations because you are going to deal, once you have the mastery of knowing what's the opposite operation, then it means to say that you can actually work with equations and inequalities so easily. Okay? So opposite operations, what's going to be the opposite of addition? It's going to be what? Okay, subtraction. So addition and subtraction are opposite to each other, while multiplication, its opposite is going to be what? Division. Okay, so just actually have this idea, and it will actually give you an easier way of doing and solving equations and inequalities. Okay, let's try to begin with guide problem number 1. Okay, looking at problem number 1, it says right here, x minus 16 is equal to 40. So x minus 16. So this means to say, what is the value of x that when I actually subtract it to 16, that becomes 40? So it gives the idea that we're subtracting. Since we're subtracting, then it means to say, what's the opposite of subtracting? It is addition. So that means you're just simply adding. So what am I going to add? I'm going to add the opposite of minus 16. So that's going to be what? Plus 16 here, plus 16 here. So makes sense that 16 minus 16 is going to be cancelled out. So what's going to be the value of x? 40 plus 16. So that's going to be 56. Quick and easy. Okay. Now we proceed